Hello again and welcome to Shiba. And the new country in the morning the Shiba Inu may explode. Here is a prediction regarding the future of chip prices. Since hitting a low of $780 on June 19, Shiba Inu stock has risen by a staggering 50% in the previous week, as the SHIB continues to recover from losses incurred during the major cryptocurrency crash earlier this month. Since then, SHIB stock is up 53% in the past week and lost another zero on its way to recovery. The next day, a Shiba Inu coin can explode in this video. This chip price forecast should serve as a fair warning. For more information on Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Let's go straight to the video, shall we? Check out Shiba Inu on June 30th and see what they're up to. After bear effectively pushed the Bitcoin price below the $20,000 level, the optimistic outlook for the cryptocurrency markets has been a steady eventual recovery. According to CoinMarketCap, the total value of all cryptocurrencies decreased by 4% over the past 24 hours to $884 billion. Bitcoin is down 1%, while Ethereum is down 6.7%, trading just above the key $1,000 threshold. Over the same time period, cryptocurrencies have gained between 1% and 4% in value. Even those claiming that Leo was mentioned 0 times and the Shiba Inu coin with the highest market cap and fundamental test favor the view that the cryptocurrency market could go down. After that, reaching an all-time high last week, Bitcoin and its extended test of $12,000 are also included, as well as all altcoins whose combined market capitalization is near all-time lows despite a recent surge in success in this area. Shiba Inu started the new year in a precarious position to avoid further defeat, and the chart pattern of a descending triangle consisting of successive lower highs and lower lows indicated a continuation of declines. Bears were pressuring the bulls to sell, which sent the price down to 70 cents. The previous record low was in October 2021. The share price has bounced back to 96 cents. The descending triangle horizontal trading line before pulling back again at the time of writing was under attack for the third time in recent memory. However, the data from the descending triangle and the continued strength of the dollar indicate that this level cannot support a rebound. After all, price strength at 39 indicates bears are in the wheel, and the temptation to start another round lower in the RSI is dropping towards oversold territory. If the bears succeed in breaking the 96 cents barrier, investors can expect further losses of 18%, which will bring the price down to around 80 cents. If it continues to fall, it will lose another 22% of its value, or even reach 0.767. Since a local bottom is likely to form here, late investors will not have the opportunity to purchase a Shiba and thus have added to their existing holdings. If macroeconomic topics recede further into the background and the moving average convergence divergence with this signal continues to climb towards positive territory, the price may reverse course in the surge. The bulls have a chance to regain 10 cents, and they could reach $1,060.03 very quickly. That's where the 50-day simple moving average is now resting would amount to just a reversal of Tuesday's losses. If the Bitcoin price continues to rise, it will breach the 1,208 cents level, which indicates the beginning of a bullish trend. Unlocked data from a crypto to block data analyst firm confirms the importance of reclaiming the psychological 10 cents level in or out of the money depends on the asking price. I estimate that approximately 12.64 million unique IP addresses have already bought about 1.42 trillion shares at this price, with the price going up Shiba Inu with 53%. This group of investors may be trying to increase their chances of making a profit, and therefore more likely to support any efforts to boost SHIB above this level. Over the past 30 days, SHIB has increased by 10% and has stayed at that level for the past 7 days. Now trading is near the worst. SHIB back in early May, after the massive cryptocurrency crash over the moon in the midst of this bear market, SHIB had a series of crashes that led to a further drop in value. In contrast to the general trends of cryptocurrencies, SHIB has outperformed most other small-cap digital currencies over the past week. SHIB is the 9th largest weekly performer among the top 100 cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, among the top 15 cryptocurrencies, it has the best performance of 3.5% for Doge. The client's price action is likely to change once the recovery begins. The price of Shiba Inu has increased as a result of this trend. At first, it caused an increase in volume that lasted for 24 hours in the barns. Almost $2 billion was dispersed. However, even at its current level of $800 million, The figure is 150%. Over the past week, the value of Bones, another token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, has increased by 41% and its absorption by 46%. The Shiba Inu dog breed has arrived, despite massive whale activity and general cryptocurrency recovery price action, as the Shiba Inu ship team prepares for a final launch with the highly anticipated Shiba Farm layer release of an existing Shiba Inu dog. The negative vote is strongly in favor of stopping Bowen incentives rather than minting more tokens, since Bowen is the Shiba Farm's gas token. The ship's crew proposed a strategy to divide the benefits of the Bones between the farm and the auditors. The Doji DAO had the final say. 98% of the vote is currently in favor of stopping the awards, so the result of the vote is clear. When writing about Bowen farming on your blog, the Shiba group pointed out Bowen's place in the Shiba layer to show appreciation. Bowen and his team of 2 auditors got a bonus. The Shiba farms will be developed, and Bowen will be retained to perform auditor duties. We need to keep a total of $20 million. Bowen saved $20 million. Currently, Bowen has only about $250 million in assets. Bowen intended to turn himself in. This is about 8% of the available stock. But the ship's crew does not have this Bowen. This means that they had to deal with the DAO to figure out how to put those $20 million aside. Bowen, both other options were equally undesirable. The alternative was to move Bowen's farming to 230 and use the rest to check Shiba Farm after the start of the June 19 voting session. Option B would raise Bowen's limit to 270 million, with an additional 20 million going to the Shiba Farms. It currently appears that this option, pending Bowen shibaswap rewards for Shiba Farms, will be selected by members of the deal over the first 2 days of voting. 29 million of the Bowen stakes have been selected for option A, but at the moment there are only 557,000. Bowen recommended option B with a vote of 98 in favor of option 2 and 2. Option A obviously won by a landslide. Some investors liken it to the government's ability to print money if the proposal to issue a lot of coins is implemented. Such inflationary strategies have been met with strong opposition from members of the Bitcoin community. The Bowen contract has been the subject of criticism from some who do not see how excessive minting can be permitted. Similar to why SHIB want to restrict Shiba supply, others see this supply wall as beneficial to their collectibles and Bowen's reward. If the proposal gets approved, Bowen will immediately stop rewarding Shiba and begin doing so immediately. Bowen's current supply is 225 million, which is 5,000 less than the maximum allowed. The Al-Shiba team estimated that this would happen within the next few weeks. Where is the original estimate? In 2 years was a chip burning gate to burn coins containing images of Shiba and the United States broadcast live on April 8 this year. The portal started tracking the ship's token burn. These coins were deemed burned and removed from circulation after being sent to invalid wallet addresses. Burning token holders will receive 0.49% of all real transactions thanks to a portal created in collaboration with the developers of Yoshi's Vision token. Overnight, 218.84 million Shiba Inu coins were burned, bringing the burn rate to 93.95%. To date, 410.37 trillion Shiba Inu coins have been burned or removed from circulation.